Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss about how to divide large numbers by 3-digit numbers. So before going to division, we can go through the easy method of finding out the 3-digit table. So how can we find out 3-digit numbers table in short method or easy method? So here I am going to give 135. So 135, the table of 135 we have to write without multiplying. If you want, you can multiply into 1, into 2, into 3. You will be able to do that. Other than that, how to do that? I taught you how to find out that 2-digit table. Same way we can find out 3-digit table also. So here in this total 3 digits are there. 1, 3 and 5 are the digits. So I am going to write the digits here 5, 3 and 1. So now I am going to separate it by lines. We can write the table of 5, table of 3 and table of 1. All of you know the single digit table. So 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. Up to 5 9s are enough. Now we can write the table of 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Same place you have to arrange that same horizontally you have to arrange it. So if you want, you can draw this line. Sometimes you will misplace it, then your answer will go wrong. So don't misplace that. Just you have to draw the line, then you can. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. One table, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 1 5s are 1 6 are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9. All the tables over. We are going to the next step. So when we write the table, here we are going to write the table. So first we have to take this all ones place digit, how you have done in 2-digit numbers. Please take this ones place digit and we can write it. Here I am going to write that. Why I am drawing this line, otherwise you will misplace it. So I am drawing the line and then I am showing that. So say that unit place digits are 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5. Now here there is no tens place digit. So we can write this 3 and 1 as it is. So first number is 135. In the second number onwards, we can see here 1 is there, tens place digit is there. That you have to take to this one and add here. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So I have written here 7. We can write, there is no digit here, so you can write 2 here. Now here you see that 1 I am taking here and adding to this 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So here that if we are adding 9 plus 1, what we are getting here? 10. This 0 you should write here. And this 1 you have to take here and add that. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Once more I will say. This one I added with this 9. So 9 plus 1, what we got here? 9 plus 1, 10 we are getting. In the 10, that 0 you have to write. What the number you are getting here, its ones place you should write here. And the tens place you have to carry to the next place. That is 3 plus 1, that is what? 4. Now see here, I am carrying here 2. So here 12 plus 2. What is 12 plus 2? 14. We are getting the number 14 here. From that 4 I am writing here. This 1 we have to take here and add here. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Okay, now next one. Here 2 here. So 15 plus 2 we are carrying here. 15 plus 2. Now I am going to write directly. 15 plus 2, what you are getting? 17. So 7 I am writing here. This 1 I am taking here. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, here 3. 18 plus 3, we are getting 21. That 1 I am writing here. 6 plus 2, 8. Add that. The other one you have to carry forward here. Next we can write 21 plus 3, that is 24. 4 I am writing here. This 2 I am carrying here. 7 plus 2, 9. 24 plus 4, 28. So 8 we can write here. This 2 we can carry. That is 8 plus 2, 10. Now for 27 plus 4 is 31. So that 1 I am writing here. 9 plus 3, 12. We got the table of 135. So this is the easiest method. If you know the single digit table, then you will be able to write the 3-digit table. Practice this one. One more question I will show you, so that you will be able to do the division of large numbers by 3 digits without making mistake. One more number I will show you here. So the number is one big number, 432. So we want to divide a large number by 432. For that, first we should know the table of 432. So how to write the table? What are the digits here? 4, 3 and 2. These are the digits. Now we can separate the digits. I left some more space because the other question when I was explaining it, the space was very less. So okay. Now 2 table, 3 table, 4 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so same way I am drawing here lines. Okay. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27. 4 table, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. So what is the first step for finding out the table of 432? See here, 2 table over, 3 table over, 4 table over. Next step, write all the ones place digits as it is. So I am writing that 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All the digits I have written, ones place digit. Now up to here there is no tens place digit in both the numbers. So directly we can write 43 here, 432 first one, 432 into 1 we got 865, 8 and 6 we can write as it is, 12 and 9 we can write as it is. So we got this much table. Now here there is no tens digit. So what we can write? This ones place digit we can write second. This one we have to carry here. When we are carrying 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. 16 plus 1, 17. Now this one we should carry here. So 15 plus 1 what we are getting? 16 we are getting. In this 16, 6 I am taking. This one I am carrying here. So 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Now here you see this one carry here, 18 plus 1 what? 19. This 9 I am writing here and 24 plus 1 what? 25. That is 25. Very easy. Now this one carry here, 21 plus 1, 22. This 2 you should write here. But the result you are getting, that numbers unit place you should write here. Here this 2 we should carry here, 28 plus 2. Answer is 30. Very easy. Now 24, this one carry here 24 plus 1, 25. So 5 you should write here. 2 we can carry here. 32 plus 2, 34. This one we can carry here. 27 plus 1, 28. So we can write 8 here. And 2 we should carry here. 36 plus 2, 38. Over all the 432 table 431 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 etc. up to into 9 we got. If you know this table, then we can start the division without making mistake. We can take the answer directly and write the quotient and subtract and find out the answer. So it's very easy method. If you follow just for 1 or 2 questions, afterwards in mind you can do the calculation. These all things no need of writing directly. In mind you do the calculation and then you write the digits here. So if you learn this method, then it will be easy for you to do the division. Exercise 2.5, question number 2. Divide and check your answer. So already we studied division of large numbers by a 2-digit number we studied. 2 questions I explained. Now here division of large numbers by 3-digit number. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So here dividend and this one is divisor. Before dividing the number, first we have to write the table of 251. So I will write the table of 251 here. Here 251 into 1 is 251. 251 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Next 251 3s are. So multiplying by 1, 2, 3. I am going to write the table here. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 251 into 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 251 into 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 251 into 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 7 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. 8 8 1s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. 9 1s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 carry. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. So we got up to 9. It is enough. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The table I have written. So 251 into 10 is 2510. Now we can start dividing the number. So dividend and divisor, all of you know that from second class onwards you are studying the same. So now dividend we can write 10,35,076 divided by 251. So here 3-digit number. So here also we have to take 3-digit number. So after taking 3-digit number, here 103 is coming. 103 is less than 251. So division is not possible. So what you have to do? You have to take one more digit, that is 4-digit number you should take, that is 1035. We are getting 1035. Now you should go through the table and 1035 is near to 1035, which is the number. So we can take 1004, we can take 1255 is greater than 1035. So we can take 1004. So 1004 we can write here. Count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Count it and write that number. Now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 3 minus 0, 3. Here 0 it will come. Bring down 0. 310. 251 here. So 251, how many times in 310? Only one time. You can take 251. Next is 502. 502 is greater than 310. So we can write here 251. Now we should do subtraction. From 0 we cannot. So we should borrow 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 2, 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. You have to bring down 7. 597. So when we are writing 251, you should write that 1 as quotient here. I forgot that, sorry. Don't forget to write the quotient. Now 597. 597, we have to go through the table. 597 here to 597 and less than. Either equal to or less than. So equal to, it is not there. Less than means 502 is there. So we can write 502. How many times? 2 times. You should do subtraction. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 9 minus 0, 9. Bring down 6. 956. So 956, 251. How many times in 956? Table you have to go through 956. So we can take 753. This number is greater than. We cannot write. So less than that is 753. 753. Now we should do subtraction. How many times 753? 3 times. So we have to write. So we got the quotient here. This is the quotient and this one is the remainder. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 5 0. 9 minus 7 2. 203 is the remainder. Now we should do verify or check the answer is correct or not. How to check the answer? So we have a rule, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we have to try that whether it is correct or not. So how to? So here I am going to verify that or check the rule. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor, what is divisor? 251 into quotient is what? 4123. 4123 plus remainder, that is 203. So first you have to multiply this. 251 into 4123. In multiplication you studied, you have to expand this one. When you are expanding, this 4123 become 4000 plus 100, because ones, tens, 100,000. 4 in thousands place 4000. 1 in 100 place, so 100. 2 in tens place, so 20. And 3 in ones place 3. So each number you have to multiply by 251. So here also 251, 251, 251. In one video we explain this how to do that multiplication. So we can multiply, then we can add that. This is the easy method. 251 into 4. So first you have to multiply 251 and 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 22. 4 twos are 8 plus 2, 10. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Write those 3 zeros here. Now 251 into 1. You have to multiply 251 and 1. So we are getting 251. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. Write those 2 zeros and then we can write 251. You have to write in correct place. 251. Now next is 251 into 2. How many zeros are there? 1 0. Write that 0. 251 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. 251 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. Now you have to add these whole numbers. So 3, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 0, 1 plus 203. Now you should add that 203 along with this because plus 203. So 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 0, 1. 10,35,076 is the dividend. So the answer is correct. Verify the answer. Next question. 66,77,452 divided by 360. So first we have to write table of 316. So here I am going to write the table of 316. 316 into 1, 316. 316 into 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 2 threes are 6, 3 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 6 are 24, 2 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6, 4 threes are 12, 5 6 are multiplying by 1 2 3 4 5, then I am writing here 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8, 5 threes are 15, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 ones are 6 plus 3 9, 6 threes are 18, 7 6 are 42, 4 7 ones are 7 plus 4 11, 1 7 threes are 21 plus 1 22, 8 6 are 48, 4 8 plus 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 4 12, 1 8 threes are 24 plus 1 25, 9 6 are 54, 5 9 ones are 9 plus 5 14, 1 9 threes are 27 plus 1 28. Up to this is enough. Now we can start doing the division. First you write the table, we can start doing the division. 316, here 3 digits are there, so we can take 3 digits here. 667 it is possible because that is greater than 316. So we can take that 3 digit number. If it is smaller than the divisor, then you have to take one more digit. But in this case, that first 3 digit, if we consider that 3 digit is greater than the divisor, so we can take 667. Now you should come to the multiples of 316 or table of 316. Go through. In 667, how many times 316 is coming? Here 316, here 632, then 948. So we can take 632. 632. How many times it is? 1, 2. 2 times it is. So we can write that 2 here. Now we should do subtraction. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Bring down 7. 357. In 357 is greater than 316. So 357, how many times 316 is there? So only one time. So we can write 1 here. 316 we can write. Now you should do subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. We have to bring down 4. 414. Again in 414, that is greater than 316. So how many times here? 414, the first number is 316, second number is 632. We cannot write 632, but we can write 316. So I am writing 316 here. Only one time. Subtract. From 4 we cannot. Borrowing 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Here 0 will come. So borrowing again 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here 3. So 98. Now we should bring down 5. 985. 985, go through here the table. We can take 948. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What is the number? 948. Right? 948. Subtract. From 5 we cannot. So borrow 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Here 7 is there. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now we should bring down what? 2. 372. So 372, how many times? Only one time. So here 316. Subtract. From 12, 6 will come. Here 6, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So here it is 12 and here it is 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Cancel this. So we are getting the remainder is 56 and quotient is 21,131. Now we can check that whether the answer is correct or not. So here I am going to check the answer whether it is correct or not. Divisor into dividend is equal to, always you have to write that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is divisor? 360 into quotient 21,131 plus remainder. What is remainder? 56. So here 360 multiplied by 21. So we can take the expanded form of this number. When you are taking the expanded form 2 in 10,000 place. So 20,000, 1 in 1000 place. This 100 place. This 330, tens place and 1. It's multiplied by 360. All numbers are multiplied by 360. 360. So after getting the answer, you have to write here. Here first you should multiply 2, this one, 2. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write that 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 316 into 2. Already 632. The table I have written there 632. So I am writing that number here. 316 into 1. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Write down those 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 16 into 1 is equal to 316. Again 316 into 1. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 1, 2, 0, 316. Correct. Arrange in order. Next 316 into 3. How many zeros here? 1 0. Write that 0. 16 into 3, what we got? 948. So the table is there only, so we can write the answer directly. 316 into 1 is equal to 316. Add this answer. 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 9, 17, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 3, 6 and 6. Now what is the remainder? 56 is the remainder. So we should add the remainder. So while adding remainder, 6 plus 6 is 12. 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 7, 7, 6, 6. Check the dividend. 66,77,452. So we got the dividend. So verified. Answer is verified. So practice these questions. I think you might have got the method. Two-digit number division also. Large numbers by two-digit number also. You can write the table like this also. Then you can do it. If not, what the method I told, that method also you can follow. So please learn 1 to 9 table thoroughly, and division and multiplication will be so easy if you follow this method and practice. Many questions are there in the textbook. Practice each and every question. Now third main, divide using cancellation method. So here it is given 2,45,160 divided by 40. First you should go through in the divisor and dividend. If there are zeros, you have to cancel the zeros. Only 1 0 is there. That 1 1 0 we can cancel it. Then the left out digits we can divide. Either if you want, you can do long division or you can do straight away division also. Both the method it is possible. So long division I will explain first. 2, 4, 5, 1, 6 divided by 4. So if you here only one digit is there. If you take only one digit, then 2 is less than 4. So you should take 2 digit together. 24. So 24, how many times 4 in 24? 4 6 are 24. After subtracting you will get 0 here. So you should bring down 5. Now again 4 1 times in 5, that is 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Bring down 11. 4 2 times 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now 6, bring down. Now 4 how many times? 9 times. That is 36. Remainder is 0. So the answer is 6,129. Already I explained how to verify the answer. You can use that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That I am not going to explain here. In 2 questions I explained already. You can do by using that method. Direct method also we can do. You see, I will explain the direct method. This 4 you have to go through here 24. 24 will cancel. How many times it is coming? 6 times. Next digit is 5. 4 table. How many times? 1 time. What is remainder? 1. So 11 it is coming now. So in 11, how many times 4? 2 times. What is the remainder? 3. 36. How many times? 9 times. So like this also we can do if you want. Okay. So both the method you can. If you practice this method, that will be easy because soon you can do the division. Here first we have to cancel 110. Here one more 0 is there, we can cancel. Now we can write the number 308674 divided by 70. First 2 digit, if because here divisor is 2 digit, if you take this 2 digit it is less than 70. So we have to take all the 3 digits. So 70, how many times? 70 in 308. So 70 table you have to write 70. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56 and 7 9s are 63. So that 110 I added here because it is multiplied by 70. 7 table after writing, then we have to add 10 right side. You will get the table of 70. Now 308. 308, which number you can take? 280 you can take. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times quotient 4. So subtract 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Borrow 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Bring down 6. 286. So we can take again 280. How many times? 4 times. Subtract 6 will come. Now bring down 7. Can we? No. So what you have to do? 0 times. After subtraction, then we brought down that 7. Again it is not possible, means you have to write 0 times. So 67. Now again you have to bring down that 4. 674. So 674, which number we can take? 630 we can take. That is 9 times 630. Subtract 4. 7 minus 3, 4. So the remainder is 44 and this is the quotient. So in this type of questions, you should cancel the zeros from the divisor and the dividend. Go through that 110, you have to cancel it. The left out digits you have to do division, like long division method, you have to do the division and find out the quotient and the remainder. So practice the remaining questions. Today's homework, exercise 2.5, question number 2, B, F, question number 3, B, C and T. You have to follow any one method which you feel easy for writing the table. I mean for writing the table. 2-digit table and 3-digit table I explained you. One easy method and one direct method I explained. So whichever the method you feel easy, that method you have to follow. Write the table and divide and get the answer. Check the answer in 2 questions I explained. So remaining questions you try yourself. All the questions whatever it is given in the textbook, other than division by 4 digits, all the questions you can try yourself. Thank you.